Hello everyone, welcome to GK Updates. Let's start our interesting session. First one is Multi-Agency Center, in short MAC, operates under which organization? The answer is Intelligence Bureau, in short IB. Union Home Minister Amit Shah recently inaugurated the upgraded Multi Agency Center, also known as MAC. MAC is a national intelligence sharing hub under the Intelligence Bureau, where central and state agencies share information on terrorism. It was first set up in 2001 after the Kargil conflict and was strengthened after the 26/11 Mumbai terror attacks in 2008. It now connects all police districts nationwide through a secure network built at the cost of rupees 500 crore. The system includes artificial intelligence, machine learning, and geographic information system tools for better analysis. It helps map hotspot, predict, predict threats, and coordinate real-time action against terrorism, crime, and cyber attacks. The next is which organization has launched the Campus Calling program to promote gender sensitivity and student safety? The answer is National Commission for Women, in short NCW. The National Commission for Women recently launched the Campus Calling program to promote gender sensitivity and student safety. It aims to prevent sexual harassment and raise awareness about cybercrime affecting students in colleges and universities. The program is being implemented in collaboration with Yuva Manthan, a growth development platform. It plans to reach over 1,000 higher education institutions, making it one of NCW's largest youth focused initiative. Each college will have two male and two female campus ambassadors to lead gender awareness efforts. These ambassadors will promote safety, equality, and respect and drive youth participation in creating secure campus. The next is Rajon Ki Bauli, that was recently mentioned in news, is a 16th century step well located in which city? The answer is Delhi. The, the Archaeologist Survey of India, that is ASI, along with the World Monuments Fund India, that is WMFI, and the TCS Foundation, has recently completed the conservation of Rajo Ki Bauli. Rajo Ki Bauli, also called Rajo Ki Bain, is a 16th century step well located in Mehrauli Archaeological Park, South Delhi. It was built in 1506 CE by Daulat Khan during the rule of Sikandar Lodi. of the Lodhi's dynasty, the last dynasty before the Mughals. The stepwell showcases Lodi era architecture and traditional water conservation technique. It saved of water sources and the summer retreat mainly used by monsoon for drinking and cooking. The next is World Hypertension Day is observed every year on which day? The answer is May 17. World Hypertension Day is observed every year on May 17 to raise awareness about hypertension and its control. The theme of 2025 is Measure Your Blood Pressure Accurately, Control It, to Live Longer. Hypertension, also known as high blood pressure, is called a silent killer because it often shows no symptoms. It affects over 294 million people in the World Health Organization Southeast Asia region. Risk factors include tobacco and alcohol, use too much salt, unhealthy diet, lack of exercise, and mental stress. Uncontrolled hypertension can lead to heart attack, heart disease, stroke, kidney failure, and other cardiovascular diseases. In short, CVD. The next is Singles disease that was recently seen in news is called by which agent? The answer is virus. A recent large scale study from South Korea, published in the European Heart Journal, found that people vaccinated against shingles have a 23% lower risk of cardiovascular events like heart attacks and strokes. Shingles or herpes zoster is caused by the reactivation of the varicella zoster virus, the same virus that causes chickenpox. The virus stays dormant in nerves cells and can reactive later in life when the immune system weakens. Shingles appears as a painful rash with blisters, usually on one side of the body, and can cause symptoms like burning, headache, and fever. The most common complication is post postherpetic nucleolysis, that is PHN, a nerve pain that can last for months. Shingles is not directly contagious, but the virus can infect someone who never had chickenpox. It mainly affects people over 50 or those who weak immune systems. So be careful about this. This is a very painful disease. It gives very pain to a person. So this is all in this session. For more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.